hello, Smurf Cat.
Hi.
Is it your favorite snail?
Wow. Oh.
What is this music? What is it? I wonder what the circus tent is doing here. Don't even think about going in there. Oh no. No, 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 no. Red, what are you doing? I want to build a portal to the digital circus. No! Smurfy, where did you go? Oh, it's Caine. Seems Smurf Cat doesn't understand this.
No.
Where it goes? What's behind these doors? Where do you want to go first? Oh, what's happened? I broke my mask again. What kind of box is this? He's always getting in the way. Oh, it looks good on you. Oh, last room left. Let's check it out. Oh, it's King.
Huh?
King said you have to play chess with him, and if you lose, you're gonna die. Wait, what? You don't know how to play chess. What are we supposed to do now? I didn't know the king was afraid of snails. Well guys, I hope you liked Adventures of Smurf Cat. Please subscribe us.